Hello guys, MaxPaxel here, also known as Max, and today I am doing a little bit of a tech video. Today I'm going to be showing you one of my very old laptop that used to run Windows Vista. Bought it off a friend. Well, I didn't buy it. He just let me use it because he wasn't using it anymore, so yeah. So I have Windows 10 installed on this machine. I just installed it yesterday, and I'm going to show you some of the things that it can do. So I'm just going to do boot up. As you can see, it's turning on. It's got the nice Windows 10 logo. Now, I used to actually use this laptop for some of my really old videos, but the videos used to be like 3 frames per second. Here we go. Okay, it's on the Windows 10 boot up screen. Just going to put in my password. As you can see, it's actually got a lot of keys missing right there. Oh my god. They've still got my thing up from last time I used this thing. Damn. That's a pretty good laptop. I haven't used this in like, God knows when. Last Christmas, I think? Yeah, about that time. About 11 months ago. Okay, so as you can see, trackpad works fine, the keyboard works fine, the webcam is the one thing that is really bad. I'm just going to refresh this page and show you how bad the webcam is. Why did it do that? Oh man. Well, I guess webcam toy doesn't work anymore. Well, anyway, I haven't used this for ages. Last time I used this was about last Christmas. So about 13 months ago. That's pretty long ago. But the one problem that I did have with this laptop is that I had so many installed programs on it. It took up like half the page, and then it completely crashed because one day I was moving it from in this room to another room, and I dropped it. Actually, you can see the drop site right on the corner there, and it completely corrupted, so I had to reinstall the OS on it, and yeah, sorry, this is making a lot of noise, but yeah, I had to reinstall the OS. Come on, focus. I had to reinstall the OS, and all my things were gone, so that really bugged me because I had some good videos that I wanted to keep on here that now will never exist anymore. Look, if I go into my folder, I've got downloads, Pokemon installer, pictures, nothing, music, nothing, videos, nothing. So that kind of really annoyed me. Now, I'm going to see the specs on this thing. Okay, here we go. So, it's got 4 gigabytes of RAM, which is, it's pretty good. It's not too shabby. 64-bit operating system, so that's really good. It's got a 1.83 gigahertz processor, Which, if you really think about it, this was made in like early 2000s, or even before that. Because the first ever thing this ran was Windows 98, so it would have been made either a couple of years after Windows 98, or the year Windows 98 was made. So this laptop is actually older than me. So, that's not bad of a processor for a really old machine when you really think about it. Just gonna have to blur out the product ID there, Blake. Keep that in mind. For some reason, Windows isn't activated. For some reason. But yeah, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 1.83 gigahertz. I'm just gonna say it right here, right now. This computer must have had upgrades. Like, it can't have that much. In fact, I'm going to unplug it from the charger, drain out all the battery, and take this thing apart. And no, not actually completely destroy it. There we go. Try boot up. Not starting. Now, here we go. Oh, no. You gotta wait. See that blinking red light there? See how it's still blinking? That means there's still power in it, which means it's dangerous to open. So you just need to keep draining it until it's gone. There we go. Okay. Closing it. Flipping it over. And I'll get back to you in a sec. Okay, now I'm going to open it. And there we go. There is the inside of my old laptop. So let's name some of the things that are in here. So those two things there are the two gigabyte RAM. This is a Toshiba, hard drive. This is a exhaustion fan, right there. That's the Intel Inside CPU, I think. Actually, I think that might be a CPU cooler. because yeah, main fans are there. It's got a IR blaster on the side over here, which I haven't been able to find a way to get into it. Right there. No, not right there. Right there is an IR blaster. It's got like the headphone jacks and everything. You can control the sound there, an SD card port, all those things are unknown how to get into, so don't expect to see any of that stuff. Okay, to ensure that I'm 100% safe, I'm gonna take the lithium-ion battery out, and now I'm 100% safe. So that's kind of what's inside my computer, as you can see. I'm not sure what these things are. I think that's power converter, I think. I haven't been able to get into speakers or anything yet, but once I figure out a way how to, I will do that. So I'm just going to lift up out the hard drive. Actually, I'm not going to do that. That's a bad idea. Last time I did that, it corrupted. So I'm going to put everything back together, plug it back in, and well, do the outro. And there we have it, folks. My computer. If you liked this video, then don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Goodbye.